Good morning, good evening, good night, good whatever time you are watching this. I'm feeling amazing today, man. Like today, just a good day. I'm going to the gym later on tonight. Probably gonna leave there at about 2, 3 in the morning-ish. So yeah, I hope you guys having a good day. And I hope you get blessed today and something amazing happened to you today. And yeah, stay tuned. Follow me on my day. Wildlife. Alright guys, so I'm about to go to the gym later. I ain't been to the gym in a minute. And I'm about to go drop some clothes off to my little cousin at my uncle's house. So yeah, and my dog just ran out the house too. So yeah, I'm about to go get him. This damn dog. Oh, here we go. Come on, in the car. Let's go. Let's go. Come here. Let's go, Max. Man, this dog never want to listen, man. Come on. Come on, Max. In the back. Let's go. Good boy. Alright, guys. So, I'm driving to my uncle's house right now. I gotta go drop some clothes off for my little cousin that's in my trunk that my other cousin left over here. So, yeah. Me and Max is doing it for the vlog. Max, where you at? Where you at, Max? Look at him looking out the window right now. But yeah, we just doing it for the vlog. And ting. Travas, wildlife. Alright, so I'm pulling up to my uncle's house right now. I'm gonna just park on this side of the street though. Gotta go get this freaking bag out the trunk. Here it is. Oh, here go the little bugger right here. So I don't gotta look for him. Man, say what's up to the vlog, man.
What up, vlog?
Yeah. Now come take your bag.
I saw your videos on YouTube.
Yeah. You gotta keep watching my videos on YouTube. Tell all your friends about it. Here. Alright, man, later. Guys, it's gonna be like a real crazy night / morning because I'm literally about to go to the gym close to like 1 o'clock in the morning. And I don't plan on leaving until about, you know what I'm saying, about 3 at the latest. And then I'm probably gonna get hungry because me and my friend Alante, me and him did this before. We usually go to IHOP or something afterwards, so we might do that again. Shoot, I ain't been in the gym in a minute. I'm super geeked up. I'm excited. I'm ready. Max is ready. Ain't that right, Max? Ain't that right, boy? All right, don't kiss me, man. Don't do that. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing it for the vlog. Wildlife. Hello. All right, hey guys. I'm about to head to the gym in a little bit, but first I have to stop by Alante's job because his job closed down too. He's working at this restaurant called Jamaican Paradise. They moving out some stuff right now because the cops is there and something. It's like a whole bunch of mess. So I'm about to see if I can help him out real quick before I head to the gym. So yeah, I'm doing it for the vlog right now. Alright guys, I'm about to pull up to Alante's job where he at. And he told me the cops was there and they are there for real. I'm not even about to park in the same parking lot as them. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm like terrified right now. Jesus Christ. And they are not playing either. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna bring the camera over there either because I don't want to be all in their business. But let me try to show you guys. See them like right there? Come on, camera, focus for the people. Alright guys, so me and Alante just got done moving some stuff. Alante almost got hit by the cops.
I ain't get hit by no cops, man. I play the smooth, take it lightly, brother.
But yeah, man, we about to be at the gym in a minute, bro, so just look out. Alright guys, so we pulling up to the gym right now, and it's like raining like crazy. But yeah, it's a gym I go to, you know, Planet Fitness, doing it big. So usually when we come to the gym, you know, you gotta, cause I got the black card, so you gotta like have your ID. This nigga Alante ain't had his ID.
Do that, bro.
I ain't been to the gym in a minute though.
Cause I'm me. Come on, somebody.
Cause he me, come on somebody. This ain't church, bro. This ain't church. I'm doing it for the vlog, and that girl over there, a girl staring at me right now. Okay. Over there, she's staring at me, bro. Hey, how you doing? Stop looking at me. I ain't been in this boy in a minute though. Alright guys, so it's about 3:11 in the morning and me and Alante just got done with our workout and we about to probably head to IHOP. you know, eat good and then go to sleep. And we gotta get up in the morning. We just had a nice workout too, y'all, for real. See what he back here doing? So we doing it for the vlog, and ting. And we're out. Bullet. IHOP run, boy. And there's nobody in the gym. There's nobody in the gym, it's completely dead. This dude still take candy every time we leave the gym. And we ain't been to the gym in like 6-7 months. But it's raining like heck outside, guys. I don't know if y'all can see the rain, but it's raining. So I'm gonna have to put the camera up now. Wildlife. Alright, so me and Alante just pulled up to IHOP. It don't look like there's nobody here. It look like a ghost town. But we about to do it for the vlog. Wildlife. So we in IHOP waiting to get served. And ting. Alright, so we just got our seats. And I already know what I'm gonna order. I'm gonna order this. Y'all see that?
I'm looking at that lemon strawberry.
That look absolutely amazing.
And they got cinnamon sugar.
Cinnamon sugar.
Look, cinnamon sugar and lemon strawberry. Get up.
I ain't trying to go too wild though. But yeah, we're about to do it big. I just got my water with lemons and y'all see what time it is?
Can you vlog everything?
Yeah, I vlog everything.
Just gotta get water with lemons, like that's.
Yeah, bro, cause you see what time it is, like me.
Don't care about no water with no dang on it.
It's a vlog, man, so you gotta vlog everything.
No, you don't.
But dude, me and this dude been like waiting forever to even just place our order a while ago, and we both gotta get up early as heck, so it's crazy.
Come on, somebody.
Come on, somebody. I'm trying to preach every damn day. But yeah, man, we doing it for the vlog still. Alright, so I got my food. Alante got his food. And I kind of dug in because I'm hungry. Hey, Kelsey, what happened to Alicia?
She reached out to her. Why are you getting me a camera?
Oh, my bad. I'm doing it for the vlog. No, you should check me out on YouTube. Damn, you see how they do people at IHOP? Just walk away from me like that. Alright, guys, I just dropped my mans off. And now I'm headed home. So, yeah. I'm like extra tired. I gotta get up. And I'm about to drop him. I gotta get up even early too, because I gotta drop Alante.